Hey guys, it's time for another unboxing video. I have been on the lookout for a new chair for both my miniature painting and gaming, so I definitely needed something that would be comfortable for extended periods of use. Up to this point I've been using a DX Racer chair, which has lasted around 4 to 5 years, but in my opinion was never the most comfortable. The biggest issue I had with it though was that, like most manufacturers of chairs that you'll find in gaming rooms, hobby rooms and studies, is the fact that it is covered in faux leather, or pleather as we call it, and after a year of use this material starts flaking off and looking terrible. So with that in mind, the hunt for a seat that was both comfortable and had no faux leather in sight commenced. I messaged the legends from Dreamware Tech, you can find the link in the description below, and with no delay Brent gave me the solution I was looking for. The Corsair T3 Rush. Before we actually get into the assembly of the chair, I really need to give Dreamware Tech the shout out they deserve. Dreamware Tech have no problem sharing their product knowledge with you in a friendly and speedy manner. Service and shipping is always painless, and obviously we all love getting a free chocolate with an order, right? Okay, let's get to this unboxing. Inside the box you're going to find the usual bits that come with these kinds of chairs. A star-shaped base, which unfortunately is made from plastic. I would have preferred it to be made from metal, but it does help make the seat lighter and it is really great quality regardless. An instruction manual, psh, who needs those? The lower piece of the actual seat that has the 4-way adjustable armrests already attached. 2 cushions, one to assist with the lumbar support and one to rest your head against. The height adjustment mechanism. The upper piece of the actual seat that has the recliner arm already attached, and finally a box with the side covers that are used to hide the would-be visible bolts, extra bolts and a toolkit. Once everything is unpacked, you know you're in for a treat because damn the seat looks good. But pointless keeping it in pieces, let's get it together. Construction of the chair is very simple and straightforward. If you do have someone that can hold bits while you tighten them, it will make it even easier. With recording the bits and getting distracted here and there by the epic quality, it only took me around 15 to 20 minutes to get it all together. The T3 Rush comes in 3 variants, a full charcoal grey finish, light grey with white accents, and then the one I decided on is the light grey with charcoal accents. All are made with the same quality fabric material I was after. I have only seen the one with the white accents in pictures, and unfortunately the white accents seem to be made from that terrible faux leather, so it was never on the cards for me. Dreamware Tech does stock all the variants of the T3 Rush and a huge variety of gaming chairs to suit all sizes and budgets, so make sure to give them a visit. Before using the seat, I plan to make sure the finish of the seat stays perfect for as long as possible. I run an automotive detailing company, and so I had the best product possible on hand, OptiGuard Fabric. This product will help ensure the seat material stays plush, super easy to clean, and if something does for some reason mess on it, will make it more resistant to stains. It is super easy to apply. You simply spray it liberally on the entire seat, wipe off the metal and plastic bits it gets on, and then use a brush to work it into the material. Once you have done that, apply one further coat and then leave to dry. I have used the T3 Rush for a few weeks now and can't see myself finding any fault in it. It is super comfortable, especially when the lumbar support cushion is used. The DX Racer seat would have my kidney area killing me after even a few minutes of use. Like I stated earlier, I would have loved to see a metal base used on this chair, but other than that, it is really the best chair in class, in my opinion. Once again, thank you to the legends at Dreamware Tech for all the help getting the T3 Rush. I genuinely can't recommend them enough. But that's it for this video guys, I'll see you in the next one.